Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 4 September 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 8. Name of the chapter Seeing is Believing. Okay, now let's do little recapitulation, student, what we have done in the previous video. So in the previous video, student, complete explanation of the chapter I have given to you. Now in today's video we will start the book exercises of the chapter 8. So all of you open your book, page number 59, and we will start doing the first question, that is question number 8. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct so question number 1. Question number 1, butter paper is a oblique and dash is an dash object. Is a dash object. So option A, transparent object. Option B, translucent. Object. Option number C, opaque object. Option D, lenses. Okay, so butter paper is an example of, student, transparent object, translucent, opaque and lenses. So what is transparent object? That object allow light to pass through them. ठीक है, जैसे क्लियर ग्लास है जो कि आपके बस की विंडो में होता है, ट्रेन की विंडोज में, और आपको बाहर का बिल्कुल क्लियर नजर आता है. ठीक है, ट्रांसलूसेंट ऑब्जेक्ट भी लाइट को पास करने देता है बट पार्शली. यहाँ आपको बिल्कुल क्लियर इमेज नहीं दिखती है, धुंधला दिखता है. ठीक है, now next is the opaque object. So what type of object is known as opaque object? Opaque object do not allow light to pass through them. Like stone है, wood है, मेटल्स में आयरन हो गया, स्टील हो गया, तो इसमें से लाइट पास नहीं होती. और लेंसेज तो यूज किए जाते हैं टू, लेंस क्या है, कोई भी स्मॉल चीज को बड़ा करके आप देख सकते हो. ठीक है, और लेंसेज जनरली स्पेक्टिकल्स में यूज होते हैं जब हमारी आई साइट्स वीक हो जाती है, तो to visible the things clearly, so lenses are used in the spectacles. So butter paper is an example of a translucent object. Is it clear? Butter paper is an example of a translucent object because it allow light to pass through them but partially. बिल्कुल क्लियर लाइट नहीं जाती है, इसलिए इसका आंसर क्या होगा? ट्रांसलूसेंट ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, question number 2. We uses lenses in our daily in our daily life in the form of dash. So option number A, spectacles. Option number B, looking mirror. Option number C, for decoration purpose. D is the for observing things. So student, we use lenses in our daily life in the form of a options are spectacles, okay, spectacles, looking mirror for decoration purpose or for observing things. So in our daily life we use lenses in the form of a spectacle. People who having a problem in seeing the things clearly, so in the spectacles lenses are used so the things are clearly visible to them. So the right answer is spectacles. Okay, so right answer is spectacles. Next question, question number 3. We have lenses in our lenses in our dash. So options are ears, option B nose, C eyes, and option D head. So see student, with the help of we have lenses in our dash. With the help of a ear we are able to listen the different sounds, okay. With the help of a nose we are able to breathe also, and we डिफरेंट स्मेल्स का पता भी हमें अपने नोज से चलता है, ठीक है, आईज से ही देखने का काम करते हैं, इसलिए वी हैव लेंसेज इन आवर आईज. We have lenses in our eyes. Fourth question. Question number 4. Dash is known as the the father of microscopy. So option A Galileo, option B Anthony Leeuwenhoek, Anthony Leeuwenhoek. Option C Hans, and option D Aryabhat. So who is known as the father of microscopy? Anthony Leeuwenhoek. Is it clear? Anthony Leeuwenhoek is known as the father of microscopy. Okay. Now question number B. Question number B. Give two examples of. Give two examples of so first question, transparent objects. Transparent. So what are transparent objects? The object which allow light to pass through them, that are known as transparent objects. So we have to give two example of transparent object. So that is the one is the clear glass. Clear glass, and next is the water. Water भी है, air भी है, prism भी होगा, but we have to give only two examples. So two examples are clear glass and water. So question number 2, translucent object. So two example of transparent object are polythene bags भी है, tracing paper भी है, ठीक है, paper भी है. So these are the example of translucent object. It allows the light to pass through them but partially. Tracing paper, one example is tracing paper, and another example is polythene bags. Polythene bags. So these are the example of translucent. Opaque object. Opaque objects. So wood, brick, stone, iron, steel, all are the example of opaque object. Opaque object do not allow light to pass through them. They don't allow light to pass through them. So student, note down. Next is the fourth one is the lenses. Lenses are fitted in so where are the uses of lens? लेंस कहाँ यूज करते हैं बेटा? हम लोग पिप होल्स में भी यूज करते हैं लेंसेज, स्पेक्टिकल्स में भी यूज करते हैं, ठीक है, टेलीस्कोप है उसमें भी यूज करते हैं, माइक्रोस्कोप है. सो लेंसेज आर फिटेड इन spectacles एक एग्जांपल हो गया इसका बेटा स्पेक्टिकल्स, अनदर एग्जांपल इज टेलीस्कोप। वी डू द स्टडी ऑफ स्टार एंड प्लैनेट्स विद दिस। ठीक है, आप now fill in the blanks. Question C, fill in the blanks. First question, dash are fitted in pip holes. So what is fitted in the pip hole student? Lenses. Okay, lenses are fitted in pip holes. ठीक है, अगर आपने दरवाजे में पिप होल्स होता है, दरवाजे में लगाते हैं लेंस, तो इफ समवन कम टू योर हाउस आपको उसकी पूरी विजुअल हो जाएगी। ठीक है, वो आपको पूरा उसमें क्लियर दिखाई देगा। इज इट क्लियर? सेकंड, डैश प्रोड्यूसेस a large image. Dash produces a large image. मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास भी सही है, टेलीस्कोप भी सही है, माइक्रोस्कोप भी सही है, लेंसेज भी सही है। ऑल द आंसर आर राइट। ठीक है, मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास भी सही है इसका आंसर, टेलीस्कोप लिखोगे तो भी सही है, माइक्रोस्कोप लिखोगे तो भी सही है। ठीक है, सो मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास। नेक्स्ट है थर्ड क्वेश्चन, ए पॉलिथीन बैग अलाउ डैश लाइट टू पास थ्रू देम। तो ये कैसा ऑब्जेक्ट है? ट्रांसलूसेंट ऑब्जेक्ट है, तो इससे लाइट कैसे पास होगी? पार्शियली पास होगी। ए पॉलिथीन बैग allows partially light to pass through them. Is it clear? Question number 4. We can see fingerprints. We can see fingerprints with the help of we can see fingerprints with the help of a dash glass. with the help of a magnified glass. With the help of a magnified glass. Fifth, steel is an dash object. So steel do not allow light to pass through them. Okay, steel do not allow light to pass through them. So which type of the object is steel? Opaque object. Opaque object. Okay, so now let's start with the question answer of the chapter. What is the difference between transparent and translucent object? Question number D. Question D. What is the first question? What is the difference between transparent and translucent object? Let's discuss the answer. First of all, what are transparent object? Object which allow light to pass through them. Okay, we can see the things very clearly with the transparent object, like a clear glass. If you are sitting in the bus window or a train window, all the things are visible from that clear glass. And what are translucent objects? They also allow light to pass through them, but partially. It means the things are not visible clearly. ठीक है, धुंधला दिखाई देता है, बिल्कुल क्लियर दिखाई नहीं देता. ठीक है, so note down the answer. Objects which allow light to pass through them are counted transparent objects. For example, glass, air, water, etc. Okay, so this is the transparent object. Okay, object which allow light to pass through them are called a transparent object. For example, glass, air, water, etc. Now this is not a complete answer. Now you will write about the translucent object. Next is the object which allow light to pass through them partially. Are called it translucent object. For example, tracing paper, ground glass, etc. Okay, object which allow light to pass through them partially are called translucent object. For example, tracing paper, ground glass. Okay, now what is the now next question is write the various uses of lenses in our daily life. So in this we have to explain in our, you can take a screenshot, student, you take a screenshot. Okay, now lenses are used in our daily life. Day to day life में lenses हम कहाँ यूज करते हैं? Spectacles में the most common use of lenses is in our spectacles. Okay, the person those who are unable to see the things clearly, जिनको चीजें बहुत clearly visible नहीं होती हैं, तो वो लोग lenses का यूज करते हैं. ठीक है, चश्मे लगते हैं उनको और उसमें क्या होता है, lenses होते हैं जिससे थिंग्स उनको क्लियरली विजिबल होती है. नेक्स्ट है लेंसेज आर आल्सो यूज इन द टेलीस्कोप. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस वी कैन डू द स्टडी ऑफ स्टार्स एंड प्लैनेट्स. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट है लेंसेज आर यूज इन ऑप्टिकल ऑब्जेक्ट्स लाइक बाइनोकुलर्स, जो दूरबीन होती है. ठीक है, फोटोग्राफिक कैमरेज जो होते हैं, तो बाइनोकुलर्स है, फोटोग्राफिक कैमरेज हैं, इसमें भी लेंसेज क्या यूज होते हैं. अनदर क्या है, लेंसेज आर आल्सो यूज्ड इन द पीप होल्स ऑफ डोर्स. ठीक है, लेंसेज आर आल्सो यूज्ड इन द पीप होल्स ऑफ डोर्स. So if someone come to your house, so from that lens you are able to see the image of that person. Okay, thank you student.